Hi, I'm Harold Skulte, Senior Designer with Eggersmann. I'm here in the Chicago studio sitting in one of my favorite displays. When working with clients, I frequently get asked questions about finishes. What finishes are popular? What finishes are trending over the years with architects and designers? What finishes are good for resale? Those questions are difficult to answer when working with the Eggersmann product line. Eggersmann offers a wide variety of standard finishes that allow us to create with endless possibilities. This display features multiple tactile finishes. The 5mm stainless steel worktops literally glow when light hits them. Our backsplashes and wall units offer just the right amount of high polished reflection, capturing city views beyond. To top it all off is the hand-troweled dark concrete. The color reads as varying shades of rich anthracite. Each front is a work of art unto itself. All of these finishes are beautiful independent of each other. But when artfully combined, not only do they complement one another, they create an environment that is truly one of a kind. Don't settle for ordinary. Make it extraordinary with Eggersmann.